Hi, I'm Brenda, and these are part of my team. We represent two hospitals from Intermountain Healthcare, Valley View Medical Center, and Dixie Regional Medical Center. Dixie Regional Medical Center has started their niche program about a year ago. Valley View, this is our very first year. We're just getting ready to start. We're excited about our sister hospital, Dixie Regional, and the information that they have to pass on to us. And we're excited about some research projects that we can start for niche, and we're excited to have finally the Southwest representative in the niche program. I'm going to pass the mic to Marie, who happens to be from Dixie Regional, and she'll tell you a little bit about their program.
We've really enjoyed having niche in Dixie Regional Medical Center and looking forward to adding on another year of help for frail and elderly. We know it's important as the population is getting older, and we want to be there for them. And this is an exciting conference to be here and learn much more about what we can do.